this video, we'll be showing you the new monuments in Anno Online. We'll take a closer look at the Colosseum, the Cathedral, and the Castle. The game's producer, Marcus Stark, will now tell you more about how to get these monuments and what they're all about.
In order to build the new monuments, you first have to unlock the monument within the tech tree. For example, if you unlock the Colosseum, you can start building, and you start with the first construction phase. There you first have to apply new resources, and certainly you also have to find the items. You can find the items throughout the whole game. For example, you can send out your exploration ships, and hopefully they will return with the according item for your monument.
We included a Friends feature again, of course. To give you an example, you can ask a friend to send over a constructor, so your constructions will finish his work faster. In return, you can also send over some of your constructors and gain knowledge points in the process. When a monument is completed, it is not only nice to look at, each also gets you a specific advantage.
This time we introduced a brand new effect along with the new monuments. You can increase the absolute number of your inhabitants per residence within the influence area of the new monuments. This is a great chance for you to boost your income, but it also has the downside that you must keep up with the production of your goods in order to supply all your new inhabitants.
The biggest challenge with the new monuments certainly was the balancing. While you earn more taxes by having a higher population, at the same time, you're in need of more resources. But what were the biggest challenges while creating these buildings? Lead graphic designer Armin will tell you all about it.
The challenging thing on the monuments for us was to implement all these graphical detail that we have. The buildings are really huge. There's a lot of animation ongoing of the workers producing all the stuff for the monuments, and nice to look at, definitely, but it was a challenge to do. And what I would recommend is to have a look at the workers, what they are doing when you're not working on the monument, when they're doing their break. It's just funny to see.
Since the release of the first monuments, there has been a significant increase of friend requests in the forums and chats. Of course, the developers of Anno Online are very happy about this. That's it with our little feature video about the new monuments in Anno Online. To play, just visit anno-online.com.